I wanted to do a quick video on how often does hail affect commercial roofs in Minneapolis. Um, it's actually more often than what you um, think. A lot of times when I go out to inspect commercial roof properties, a lot of times it tends to be when there's a leak going on, it tends to be an issue from where there was a past storm, where maybe the owner of the building maybe just didn't know or missed out on it, or meaning he didn't have someone come look at the roof after the storm had occurred. But I will say that if it is a metal roof, like if you have a metal roof on a property, you definitely want to be getting that roof looked at after pretty much every hailstorm, just to protect yourself. Metal roofs are definitely prone to have hail damage, extreme hail damage. So like if I had to have a rating, it would be metal roofs and then your TPO roofs. Those tend to have the most damage from hailstorms. In the Minneapolis area, those are the main ones I see. So if you have a metal roof or a TPO roof in the Minneapolis, Minnesota market or area, please reach out to us for a free inspection. We'll actually go up on the roof, take the pictures, document everything, and kind of go over what we found and go from there. We also use drones, so if we can use drones to get to kind of take a look at a roof if it's pretty high up in the air. But yeah, if you have those two roofs and you haven't had your roof looked at, give us a call, 651-703-2336, to set up a free inspection. Typically, it takes us about 30 minutes on an average size building. If it's a larger building, obviously it's going to take longer. We will schedule the time to come out. We'll bring out two people and we'll document everything and go from there. My name is Ted and I'm with Sellers Roofing Company.